Welcome to my channel guys. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I am share some job update with you in a data analyst, business analyst and data scientist domains. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend and subscribe my channel. And if you need job update, join my Telegram group. This is my Telegram group link and and uh, and this link I have posted in description box. Please join to click here. Let's first job for business and research analyst. This is this is for Patna, Bihar location, and salary is 50K to 25K per month. And this is full time opportunity, and shift is night shift, US shift based. Okay, and this is job description. You can see here this is all about jobs, and this is all about address, and this is pay, and this is extra benefit you have received from company side. And how to apply this job? You have simply click here, apply now, and you have applied there. And next job from senior research analyst from Gurugram location, and salary is uh, 2.5 L to 11 L per year, uh, and uh, and opportunity is full time opportunity, and shift is schedule fixed, flexible shift means a routine based shift, and this is a job description, and minimum 2 to 4 year of experience required. And how to apply this job? You have click apply now and fill the details. And the next job from research analyst CD from Pune Maharashtra location, and the salary is 12K to 24K a month, and a full time opportunity, and this is night shift. Okay, and the next job is from business analyst, Jaipur location, and the salary is 50K to 45K per month, and this is also the full time opportunity, and regular and or permanent. And this is the job description, and minimum you have 1 year of experience you have preferred. Okay, and language is English, and schedule is day shift. And how to apply? You have simply click apply now, and you have fill the details. Next is all from lead analyst, data management, quantitative analysis. This is also from Pune location, Maharashtra, and this is job description. You must have SQL query, and a macro development and all. And how to apply this job? You have click here apply now, and you have fill the details. Next job from market research analyst. This is for Chennai, Tamil Nadu location, and a salary is 10L per year. And this is a full-time opportunity, flexible time sheet, it means routine time sheet. And how to apply this? Or qualification is master preferred, and market research 2 year preferred, means 2 year of experience you have preferred. And how to apply? You have click here and apply that. And next job from US healthcare reporting, senior analyst remote, and location is Bangalore, and salary is 6L to 10L per year. And this is also for full time opportunity, and shift is uh, flexible. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now, and you have fill the details. And the next job for data analyst trainer. This is for Kerala location, and salary is 50K to 18K per month, and this is a full-time opportunity. And how to apply this? You have simply click apply now, and you have fill the detail. And next job from business analyst for Mohali Punjab location, and this is remote, means work from home location, and salary is 20K to 50K, and a full-time opportunity, and a day shift. And how to apply? You have simply click apply now, and you have fill the detail. And next is junior business analyst walk walk-in interview, and this is for Indore, Madhya Pradesh location. And how to apply? You have simply click apply now, and you have fill the detail. Thanks, guys. Thank you for watching.